Going somewhere? You really think I was gonna let you travel on your own? What with all those demons running around? What's that? You were just going on a walk. But you were about to. Well, why didn't you say anything before? Never mind. Forget I said anything. You want me to come with you. And why should I? I wouldn't want to spoil your privacy, especially when you're going out on a walk. You missed me. Give me a break. Fine. I'll go with you. But only to keep an eye on some demons, okay? I don't want them getting you. Let's go. Huh? Did you say something? No, what? What did you say? You said something. Ah, come on. Just cut it out already. I'm telling you, just spill it. I know that look. You're trying to hide it. So spit it out already. See? Now is that so hard? I gotta admit, I don't think I've ever been this calm either. It really is a nice calm day. Not a smell of demons in sight. What? I don't know what you're talking about. I wasn't expecting this. I was not. Okay, fine. Maybe I was expecting it. Fine. Do you want to know the truth? I mean, I kind of knew you wanted to go on a walk and to spend some time with me. To be honest, I really missed you, baby. I missed being with you. Even after all that battles we've been together, we never had time to ourselves. What? I never said... What does this have to do with the Shiko jewel? I wanted to be full demon, sure, but ever since I met you... Well... You sort of changed my perspective. And I was closed before. You know that, right? But you sort of brought that back. I have never felt more complete than when I was with you. I love you, baby. And I miss you a whole lot. What are you crying for? Stop the tears. It doesn't suit you at all. What's that? You miss me too. Glad to know we're on the same page. What now? You want a hug from me? Okay. I miss hugging you like this. You're so soft, so warm. I love you. I love you so much. Is it alright if we stay out here for a little longer?